I'm impressed with this portable laptop charger. You know, there's times when you're traveling, you're on the airplane, and you're using your laptop, and you notice, oh, the power is going down, my battery is dying, and not all airplanes are equipped with a USB adapter. Even if they are, they might be too weak. Enter this guy, 125 watt power bank. And as you can see, it works quite well with my MacBook. Now you can also charge other things on this. You can charge your phone with this. The manufacturer says you can probably charge it twice. You can charge iPads, bigger iPads. You can charge that, 1 to 2 times is about what it says. But it has a nice display. It says it's 98%. And then if you toggle over, it tells you, I believe that's the number of watts that it's pushing out. And there is a mode where, let's say you're going to charge Bluetooth earphones or something that doesn't need as much power and you don't want to damage the device you're charging. If you simply hold this button for 3 seconds, the W starts to blink and it switches to a safer mode for devices that don't need so much power being pushed into it. It's a pretty impressive feature. Now this guy is a little bit heavy. It's a battery. It's a big battery in there, so it's going to be a little bit heavy. I like the length of the cord that it comes with. I especially like the Velcro so that you can, keep it nice and tidy. That's, those little details are important to me. Now, I did charge this guy last night. It did not take long to charge it, maybe 2 hours, no sweat. And as you can see, it's charging my MacBook well, no problem. Now, I don't feel, it's been plugged in for a little bit, I don't feel any heat coming off of this guy. I've got a couple of these power banks that just get really hot. Not this guy. I'm impressed. I recommend it.